If you're looking for the best finance courses on Coursera, choosing the right one can be overwhelming because there are hundreds of options. In this video, I'll rank some of the best finance courses on Coursera based on quality, ratings, career value, and the skills you'll gain. Before we begin, if you plan to take more than one course, check the discounted Coursera Plus link in the description. Right now, you can save 40% on your first 3 months of Coursera Plus. It's usually much more affordable than purchasing courses individually. Coming at number 3 is Financial Modeling and Analysis from the Corporate Finance Institute. This specialization has earned a 4.8-star rating and teaches financial modeling, financial statement analysis, financial forecasting, business strategy, and corporate finance. It's ideal if you want practical skills used by financial analysts. Taking second place is Financial Markets by Yale University. With a 4.8-star rating and more than 32,000 reviews, this course explains financial markets, investments, portfolio management, banking, capital markets, risk management, and behavioral economics. It's one of the most respected finance courses available on Coursera. My number one recommendation is the Preparatory Certificate in Finance and Financial Markets from the Corporate Finance Institute. This beginner-friendly specialization has a 4.8-star rating with hundreds of reviews and covers financial analysis, business valuation, corporate finance, banking, capital markets, credit risk, wealth management, and financial trading. If you're preparing for a finance career, this program offers one of the most comprehensive learning paths on Coursera. If you only need one course, buying it separately may be enough. But if you're planning to complete multiple finance, accounting, business, or data analysis courses, Coursera Plus is usually the better value. Individual learning programs often cost between $49 and $79 per month. Coursera Plus gives you unlimited access to thousands of eligible courses, professional certificates, specializations, guided projects, and hands-on labs with one subscription. With the current promotion, you'll pay just $35.40 per month for your first 3 months instead of the regular $59 per month. That makes it much easier to build valuable finance skills while saving money. If you're ready to start learning, check the discounted Coursera Plus link in the description before the offer ends.